Hello guys, welcome to the life of an aspiring chef. So in this video I'm going to walk us through how I made this yummy and succulent chicken quesadilla wraps. So I started by deboning my chicken. I deboned and diced my chicken thighs and chicken breasts. Then I seasoned them with white pepper, cayenne pepper, adobo all-purpose seasoning, this garlic sauce, the peri-peri garlic sauce, some seasoning cube, smoked paprika, some Maggi hot sauce, and some chili peppers. Now before you open your mouth and say this thing is going to be spicy, I'd like you to respect yourself and try it out first. You may actually live to regret it. Because of all the pepper you've been hearing. These aren't spicy peppers, these are more for flavors than heat. If you come across this video and you've actually watched to this point, please do it to like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Now money I look for. I no come here to create content for because I want to teach you how to cook. And so I actually added some oil, some groundnut oil, and a little bit of salt and some Greek yogurt, sweetened Greek yogurt, by the way. Then I stirred everything in together and covered it with cling film. And put it in the fridge for marinate for like 4 hours. Not really time it, but I know it took some time. Then now this is actually my twist that I added to this quesadilla wraps. I had to add in charred pineapples. You should try this. I don't even want to explain too much, but try it. You will love it. So I diced pineapple into little chunks, just little chunks. I carefully diced it into even and little chunks. I know some of you would want to claim Mr. and Mrs. Hygienist in the comment section. Why are you dicing the pineapple without gloves on? Please, I beg you, don't stress me. When you reach your turn, you wear the hand glove, enter bathroom, go bathe. No come stress me for my own video and my own food where I won't chop. Warn yourself. So I actually proceeded to buttering up my pan, and I just did what I was doing on the video. Please, I did what I did on the video. Then I added some brown sugar and chili flakes to the pineapple, just in case you're wondering what was that stuff I added. Then I used the moisture in the pan to heat up the bell pepper, and I switched my pan to a different pan. I like this grill pan. Added some oil, some onions, some diced onions, chopped onions, then the chicken breasts that was sitting and marinating and doing whatever it was doing inside the fridge. Chicken breast and chicken thigh though, not just chicken breast. Then I added some chopped habanero peppers. Then I went in with oyster sauce and I tasted. Please, whatever it is you're doing, anything you're cooking, make sure you taste. Always taste. I tasted. It was not really giving what I wanted to be giving. Then I added some more seasoning cube and salt. So season according to your preference. Then I proceeded to grating my cheese. I actually used the manual hand grater. That cheese, I actually made that cheese myself. So it was not as stretchy as the commercial one, but it was good. Then I proceeded to heating up my non-stick pan, added a little bit of oil, went over my tortilla wraps, and let it heat up. Then I flip it to the other side. Then I layered it with my chicken, my cheese, and I actually use mozzarella and parmesan cheese. So I just cut the cheese in chunks, little chunks. It's flashing me like this. So I layered it with my cheese and flipped it back and forth, just once though. I should have actually added more clip of this particular process to explain it better. Maybe I'll just do that in the next life. Here is what it looks like in the end. It was so yummy. If you want to taste it, come to my house.